this video, we are going to look at placing the stairs into my plan and talk about the areas that you need and what things you need to look for. And then we'll also talk about some additional interior walls. So the first thing on my drawing is I have a straight run stair. So I need to provide 4 foot 1.5 by 23 foot 7 inches. That includes the landing at the bottom of the stairs, the risers, and the landing at the top of the stairs. Even though when I put my stairs in, I'm only putting in this portion, I still need to allow room for the landings. So I'm going to put my box in, and I'm going to make this 4 foot 2, and I'm going to make this 23 feet 7 inches. And you can see that I probably already have a problem. How this would actually work is my landing is included in this. So this whole thing would be moved. And you can see that I don't have enough room in here. That is a problem with these plans that come out of the books. They typically don't allow enough room. I'm going to need to make some adjustments. So I really don't want to make my garage any smaller. If I come in here and measure my actual clearance from here to here, I have 25.6. So I could make it a little bit smaller. So I'm going to go ahead and move this down. I want at least 24 foot clear. So I'm just going to move it down 1 foot. So that helped me a little bit. Now in here, I could make this master bedroom a little bit narrower this way, but I really don't want to, because if I look over here, I've got a lot of stuff that I have to get in over here. So I think I'm going to go ahead and move this wall out. Now I have to be very careful because again, I have to stay within my square footage requirements. I am going to add a foot in here. So I still have a little bit of an issue here. Now, by the time I get to this point, 4 feet back from here, I am going to be at my upstairs landing. So there should not be an issue with this stair overlapping this wall. So I'm probably okay. So I'm going to leave that there for now. If I look here at the laundry room, again, a laundry room is a more important room than a closet. And in this direction, it says that it is 10 foot 8. So again, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do a wall. And then I'm going to check it, and I want to go inside to inside, and I'm going to change that to 10 foot 8. My stair needs to fit tight to the wall. Now the other thing I do need to check to make sure of is that I have head clearance at this point. Again, I can check that whenever I put my actual stairs in. I think I should be fine because I just need an 8 foot or so clearance there. So I'm not going to worry about it too much at this point. So my laundry this way is supposed to be 8 foot 6. So I'm going to do another wall. And again, I'm going to check it. And I want to go inside to inside. So as you can see, I don't get too concerned about trying to put the walls in exactly as they are. I just kind of put them in and then I adjust them for what I need. Now I have the master bedroom, the master bath, the closet, the laundry, the stairs, and now I need to place these 2 walls here aligned. Typically for a powder room, it needs to be at least 5 by 5. So again, I'm going to go back to my wall and I'm going to draw a wall here. And I'm going to take it down about that far for right now. And then I'm going to draw another wall in here. And the first thing I'm going to do is make sure this wall has a clear inside clearance of 5 feet. This way I also want to have 5 foot clear. This next space is a closet. So again, it's not a real critical dimension this way. The only one that's critical is this way because it aligns with that one. Now this out here in my garage is my mechanical room. Your mechanical room needs to be a certain dimension that was given in your program. So you will need to check that and make sure that it is that dimension. And you can make it a little bit bigger if you want. So right now it looks like I have plenty of room to put the bench in here and have an opening here in the wall. The only thing that leaves on this side are these 2 areas up here. This toilet itself has to have a minimum of 30 inches clear. I think that's way too tight. I like to always try to do at least 4 feet. So I'm going to come in here and put in a wall here and a wall here. I'm going to check this dimension here to the inside. Again, I like to make it at least 4 feet. And then in this shower says that it's 44 by 60. So again, I'm going to come in here for the time being and I'm going to use my detail line and I'm going to draw a rectangle. I'm going to make it 44 inches wide and I have to put in inches because Revit thinks in feet, by 60 inches. And I'm just going to take this and I'm going to move it into my corner over here, and then I know where to put this wall. And then later I can come in and actually place the shower in there, but I have the space for it. This direction I'm going to see what I have now left in here for my toilet room, and I have over 5 feet, which is very adequate for that. So I think I'm in pretty good shape over here. Since I kind of have this area done, the next thing I would want to do is to add my doors for this area. In the next video, we will cover doors.